So the IDA program was built a few years ago with the intention of being a leading educational program for students who wanted to go into the intelligence community. When we looked at it, we realized it was a good program, but we needed to change things. So what we did is we looked at every program across the country, really good schools with good programs. We studied where they had strengths and weaknesses, where there were gaps. We then took all that and changed our program to fill all those gaps, to maximize on our strengths and minimize any weaknesses that really there aren't. This program sets students up to have everything they need to know to go into the highest levels of government and affect strategic national decision making.